Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this magnifier, like you see on the screen, and it's like the one I use when I do all my editing. You guys have all seen it, probably. I did a tutorial on the original one that I made, but this one's completely different than the first one. This is going to be an effect, so you have to have media to make this, because we're going to have a media in and a media out to make an effect. That's why we're not starting out with a fusion comp this time. It can be a video or a still, doesn't matter. Go to Fusion. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up here in the way. We can go to one viewer for this. Like I said, we are going to make a macro at the end, so you can reuse this. With the media in selected, get a merge, and then an ellipse. Click away right below the ellipse, make sure nothing's selected. Shift space and displace. Make sure you get the 2D one, not the 3D. You want to plug the ellipse into the green input of the displace, and the displace into the green input of the merge, and media in to the yellow of the displace. Select the ellipse. We're going to connect the width and height together using an expression. So right click on the width, expression, grab the pick whip from the plus sign, take it to the height and let go. And we'll set the size to 0.3. And then right click on the ellipse, copy, click away right about here, right click and paste instance. Then get a background, make it white, or a color you're liking, because that's just going to be the default color for the border. Where's the background into the merge, and it'll make a merge. And select the background, go to settings, and select apply mask inverted. Now go to the instance of the ellipse. For those of you that don't know what an instance is, it's an exact copy of whatever node you're taking it off from. So if you change the value in one, it'll do it in both. You can de-instance any of these values. We're going to de-instance 2. Go to the solid, right click, and de-instance. And go to the invert, right click, and de-instance. Click the invert and deselect the solid. And then go to the displays. Take the refraction strength up, and you should start to see magnification. Go back to the instance of the ellipse, or the ellipse, either one. Set the border width to 0.004 or to your liking. Again, this is just for the default settings. And select the merge 1. Get a brightness contrast. And then come off of the ellipse and connect it to the mask of the brightness contrast. Now if you select the brightness contrast, we can make it lighter. Let's rename the background to border color. Click away, make sure nothing's selected. Hold the Alt key down. Click on either one of these lines here, and it'll make a pipe router. Connect that to that. Now when we move this, you're going to see it's not going to line up. Add some more magnification so you can see with the ellipse. So go ahead and double click on that. Select the displace, pin it, then select the ellipse, pin it, Then come down to the center of the displays, right click, expression, grab the pick whip, pick it up to the center of the ellipse and let go. And you can unpin them. Click away, and then select the ellipse again. Now it's right in line with the map. Okay, we're ready to make the macro. Hold the control key down. Select these in the order that I do. Actually, I got one more thing to do before we make the macro. Go back to the displays. We'll set the default setting to 0.3 on the refraction strength. Okay, now we're ready. Click away, make sure nothing's selected. Hold the control button down and select these in the order that I do. Then hit A on the keyboard. Keep the control button down. Please select the media in and the media out. Then right click on any one of the other nodes. My keyboard does weird things. Go to macro. Create macro. Give it a name. And follow along. And the height. Delete that and put in size. And the displays. Select the refraction strength, delete it, and put in magnification. And follow that line over. You'll see 0.3, the size we made it. Where it says minus 2.0, we're going to change that to 0.1. And I just so happen to have the displays to the right. If you click that little dot, set it back to the default settings, we have 0.1. We don't want to go below that, but I wanted to show you how to set the limitations on it. Brightness contrast. On the border color, put border in front of color. Let's go back to the ellipse. Controls. On the border width, we'll select that, the ellipse node. I want to take the border width from minus 0.2 to 0.0. And it can't go any lower than that. Go to File, save as group. It takes you to macros. Go to Fusion instead. Templates. Edit. Effects. Here is where you're going to make your folder, put your preset in. And once again, don't name it exactly the same, or Resolve won't recognize it. And if you can't find it, you may have to restart Resolve. Here's the one we made. You go to the inspector. You can always use it this way too. We'll delete it. Get an adjustment clip. Set it on top. And it'll work with an adjustment clip. So you don't have to put it on your media. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.